Make sure to like this video before watching further. Okay, it's the payment for the video. So give it a thumbs up and we can proceed. Let's go. First, we go to Pinterest. You find a perfect reference. Try to find something with a nice composition, because mind you, not every picture is going to look good, because not every picture is good. Okay, so I really like this one. It's a very easy composition and I feel like it really gives off really nice the new Taylor Swift vibe, so I'm going to download it. Now to crop the picture, you just need to zoom in and then select again and zoom out, and the picture is smaller. It's just a quick tip for you that I find very useful. Okay, so here we got Taylor Swift, and the first steps are going to be making the sketch, of course. And I like to take the pink color because it just looks nicer. Why not? I take my sketchy set and my beloved sketchy line art and I start sketching. You need to remember that the process doesn't need to look good, okay? It can look very unprofessional. It's important that you understand what you're drawing. So what I'm going to do is something like this. Big shapes. It doesn't look good, right? Like, it doesn't look clean. So don't worry, it doesn't have to. I noticed that when your drawing looks good in the process, it most of the time looks bad when you're finished. So it's very annoying, because I really want my drawing to look good in the process, but then it's going to look bad when I'm finished. So I just need to bite my tongue and just keep drawing. Oh my god, this looks awful. Like, doesn't it look awful? It does. It just genuinely looks awful. But it's okay, it's okay. Of course, it doesn't have to be the rule. Like, it's just something I noticed about myself. Maybe I just can't sketch. Maybe just not something I'm good at, so yeah. Don't take everything I say too seriously. I always forget that I don't make realistic art. Like, I can just like do stuff like this. No one cares. Like this, like, I need to exaggerate. I forget that exaggeration is so freaking important in my art because I love it so much. And I like to use a lot of straight lines in the beginning. Pretty important. That's what I say, at least. I'll make the lines like stronger, because why not, I guess. I'm the best teacher 2022. I'm the best freaking teacher you have ever met in your life. Face? The face? What would we do about the face? I like when I do the eyes. We need to focus on the eyes now. I don't draw eyes and eyebrows separately when I sketch. I kind of make the whole shape together and try to make it look like the person already. Yeah, kind of good. Okay guys, so now I made this layer lighter and I made a new layer on top of the other layer. And I took black color and I'm still going on with the sketchy line art. I lately only used line art pencil for the line art, but today I feel like using the sketchy line art. So let's go. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, but I still want to see the face of Taylor Swift. I'll start with the nose. It's not a rule for me. It's not something I always do. I just feel like it. Now, her eyebrows are not visible, but we know Taylor Swift. Swift. And I kinda remember what her eyebrows look like. So I'm just going to roll with it. My goal is not to make her look like Taylor Swift. It's not a similarity tutorial. I want to get her face parts like kinda accurate. But if she doesn't look like Taylor Swift, I really don't care. Actually, I just want to make it look good and draw it effortlessly. So, first eye. When the lips are kind of open in face, I like to use, do you know, like anime lips, and they go like this or like this, you know, just openings like this, and then I draw lips around it, you know. And that's what I'll do right here, because her lips are kind of open. Okay, she doesn't look like Taylor Swift. She looks like her evil sister. But do we care? Do we really care? Okay, I would do care a little bit. Wait. Yeah, when I'm going to shade her face, it's going to change. Like, it's going to be good. Like, it's alright. Okay, now the face is actually the least interesting of it all. Now it's going to be interesting because now we're going to try and draw easy, effortlessly. Just straight shapes, like straight lines. Don't think too much about all of it. And think about the big shapes. They are important. Yeah. I don't think this one is working well, so we're just going to leave it. And here you have a lot of little parts. We can just skip it, because why not? And I'm going to make one big part. And like this. Does it look good? I think so. It looks good to me. Or not. Wait. Oh, it has to connect right here. Does it look better? It really doesn't. It really doesn't. Okay, it's not going to connect. Does this look good? Oh, I like this. I like the way it looks right now. I'm going to delete this little part though. I'm going to add those details later. Anyway, just going to make this thicker. Okay, now we're going to draw the hair, and her bangs are very funny, so it's going to be difficult. Like, I'm doing those little strokes, but don't make too much of the strokes. It can fool you. You don't want to be fooled. This, it could look good, but I don't like it. I feel like I have to stylize it a little bit, so I will go like this, and then I'll make a gap here and extend it to here, and then I want to make thicker lines to make some definition, to create some definition. I like to exaggerate with the hair. I don't like to make this freaking little, how do you call it? Yeah, the crazy ponytails. I don't like to do it, so I'll do it off camera. Remember to always flip horizontal. Now I was just doing some little details and I flipped horizontal, so you should too. And this is actually the final sketch, the final line art. Now I just like to add thick outlines. I just like the way it looks, even though it looks silly, it looks very stupid. But I like it, you know? Yeah. No, actually no. Okay, so this is it for today. If you want to see more tutorials from me, make sure to subscribe to my channel with the bell icon, so you get notified every time I post a new amazing video. Thank you for watching, and oh, make sure if you want to get my brushes are available on my website, aliciaprints.com. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, and make sure to destroy the like button. Really. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.